Hi guys, in this video I show you how to vectorize PNG images in Canva. First, you are going to open a new project in Canva and upload the PNG image you want to change into a vector. Let's resize the image and change the position to the left-right. If you click here on the left side on apps, you can find a search box here, type in vector, and then you can find different vector apps. We are going to choose the first one right here. The image you want to vectorize must be selected. You can choose between black and white, gray and colorful. For this example, we are going to select black and white. Here you also have advanced settings where you can change the tolerance or you can clean up small edges. We are going to keep everything on standard and click on Start Tracer. It's going to create a vector image in just a few seconds. Just add it to your project and resize it as you need it. If you also want to download it as a vector image, just delete the old PNG image and put the vector image into the center. In the top right corner you can click on Share and then on Download. Here you can change from PNG into SVG and you can also check if it needs to be transparent or not. And both of the features, being transparent and SVG file, is for pro users. So it's necessary that you need a subscription for this feature. But if you are just happy with the vector image itself, you can just download it as a PNG or JPEG. And that's it. Thanks for watching.